Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Audacity alternatives for audio monetization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type best Audacity alternatives for audio monetization. Press enter. Look for reliable websites that feature software comparisons or reviews. Select a few alternatives that are well reviewed for audio editing and production. Take note of their features, pricing, and download options. Once you find a suitable alternative, click on its link to go to the official website. Locate the download section of the website. Choose the version compatible with your operating system: Windows, macOS, or Linux. Click the download button to start downloading the installation file. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Double-click the installation file to run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. Once installed, open the application to explore its interface. Familiarize yourself with the tools and features available. Consider checking online resources or tutorials for tips on usage. With the software ready, you can start working on your audio projects. Utilize its features for editing, mixing, and mastering your audio content. Finally, explore options for audio monetization within the platform or through additional services. You're now equipped to use an Audacity alternative for your audio needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security email. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.